guys, for July's core bridge work, we're doing just a side bridge isometric hold. Quite easy, simple. Just coming down on the forearm, holding that nice static position. That version there, you can take it to there. That might feel a bit better on the knee. Then you can go toe to heel, coming up. You can make it harder here, and get that nice line there. 4-minute hold each side. Pretty simple stuff, but very effective. Quite hard on the shoulder, so don't rush it. If you need to come back to the easier version, make it right for you. If you feel like you're shaking too much, fatiguing a lot while you're doing it, you're not going to get the ideal tissue tolerance that you're after, where you're building that postural endurance in the chain through there. So what you want to do is make sure that it's at the right level, bring it back, get through the 6 minutes. Next time you train, make it a little bit harder, but don't go out too hard at the beginning and kind of have to keep regressing as the sets go along. So get through the first workout on it and then make it a bit harder. So enjoy that, get it done. 6 minutes, simple, effective, but yeah, tick it off.